Okay, here we are at the same point on the trail that we were on we started on last time, only this time we're going northwest. I hope. Now what happened here was that after about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I accidentally hit the wide angle button, and that ruined the rest of the trip going northwest. But I fixed it on the way back, so you'll see half the trail coming back and the other half going out, so you won't miss anything. There's a signpost again. Now this is an apartment complex, I think. Yeah. This is called River Walk. And as you can see, it's a very nice place to live if you have one of the apartments facing the river. Unfortunately, on the other side, there is a very busy highway, and so it depends on which apartment you get if you live there. Now there's a rest stop on the right here that we just went by, which we didn't show, but we can show that to you on the way back. There's another access trail. And coming up here you see an old railroad bridge which has been turned into a footpath across the river. These pictures were taken on a Sunday morning, which promised to be quite a warm day, and in fact did turn out to be a very warm day. You can see here the variety of trail users. There are bicyclists, walkers, joggers, roller skaters, mothers with baby carriages. All kinds of folks use this trail. Now this, I think, is the Shiloh Inn. Again, we'll see more of it on the way back. Yeah, there it is. Oh yes, you can see the sign there. It says Shiloh Inn. They seem to like waterfront locations. There's one in Ocean Shores, Washington, which faces the ocean. There's absolutely nothing between the inn and Sakhalin Island, 5,000 miles away. You look out the windows, if you could see that far, you'd see to the other side of the ocean. Now it's interesting how the camera takes its light exposure from nearby, so that if you're in the dark and you're looking ahead, then you see the light is too bright. But as soon as we get out, it readjusts. It's really a marvelous camera. Any deficiency in these pictures is the fault of the operator and not the camera. If you know how to work it, it is really good. Mileage marker there. I didn't have the backlight on here because the sun was mostly behind us or beside us. On the way back, I tried to use the backlight, as you will see in the next episode. Just hitting a few bumps there. Now on the right here you see a lake. It's actually quite a large lake. And on the other side of that lake is another apartment complex, which I looked at when I first came. Now here, unfortunately, the sun is behind it, so we cannot see it too well. But again, if you have an apartment facing the lake, it's very nice, but most of them don't face the lake, so that is the problem. We'll get another look at the lake here and then again on the way back. Here's a more open spot, and you can just see the apartments on the other side of the lake. This is a big complex. You can see it stretches along the entire shore there. This lake is open to all kinds of recreation. You can swim there, you can sail, you can kayak, you can row a boat, you can fish. Idaho is a strange kind of place. On the one hand, they're quite laissez-faire, and on the other hand, they have a lot of rules and regulations. So it's kind of a mixed bag. I don't know if you can hear the banging outside. Somebody is fixing something, I suppose.